Oh! Hi there.
My name is Haganezka. I forged Tanjiro Kamado's sword. I am here to deliver it.
Oh! I'm Tanjiro Kamado. Come in.
In here is a Nichirin sword. I forged it myself.
Do you want to come in? Have some...
The materials for this kind of sword only come from the mountain closest to the sun. Made of scarlet iron sand and scarlet ore.
Hey, you're welcome to...
Unique. They produce steel that can absorb sunlight.
Wow, really? Please, come in.
You see, Mount Yoko is bathed in sunlight all day. Never a cloud in the sky. No rain means the sunlight can be absorbed without any impurities.
Whoa! A clown mask? Did he even hear me?
The man still refuses to listen to a word anyone else says.
Hey, you're a child of brightness, aren't you? Well, isn't that lucky?
My parents' names were Tanjiro and Kie.
That's not what I mean. You know how your hair and eyes have a reddish hue to them? When a family that works with fire has a child like you, it's considered lucky. A cause for celebration.
Is it really? I had no idea.
That means there's a good chance this sword will turn red. Right, Urokodaki?
Yes.
Come on, draw it already. Nichirin swords are also referred to as color-changing katanas. Their color shifts depending on the bearer. Black?
That's interesting.
Why? Does it mean something bad? Is it unlucky?
No. It's just something you don't see very often. It's pitch black.
I was really hoping I'd get to see a sword turn bright red! Damn it!
Ouch! Hey, let go! Stop, please! Ow! How old are you anyway?
I'm 37! Damn it! Why?
Ah, hey! Please, just calm down! Oh.
Tanjiro Kamado, I bring you orders! You must go to a town northwest of here!
It can talk?
This is your first assignment as a member of the Demon Slayer Corps! Prepare yourself well!
Wait a second. Did it say assignment?
In that town to the northwest, young girls are disappearing! Night after night, at least one of them vanishes!
This is the Demon Slayer uniform I was provided. It's a perfect fit. Okay then.
That uniform is made with a special kind of fiber. It's lightweight, water-resistant, non-flammable. A low-level demon's fangs and talons are incapable of penetrating that fabric.
What's that?
You plan on traveling with Nezuko, correct? But demons perish when exposed to sunlight. That's why I'm gifting you this box, to carry her during the day. It's built from a very light wood called cloudy cedar. It's been coated in rock lacquer to reinforce the exterior and make it more durable, enough to withstand some abuse.
Oh. Thanks, Urokodaki!
By the way, Tanjiro,
Yes?
since you're starting out as a demon slayer, there are some things I would like to explain. You should know, there are different kinds of demons. Some demons use a special spell called a blood demon art to give them abilities. You may end up having to face some of them in the near future as well. And fighting against supernatural abilities will be more difficult than anything you've done. However, if you defeat demons and locate their source, you could find the one who turned Nezuko into a demon one day. There's only one demon in the entire world that has the kind of blood that can turn a human. Just one. That's it. The first demon there ever was. He's been here for more than 1,000 years. He's your target, the one who attacked your family. More importantly, I believe he's also the only one who might know how to turn your sister back into a human. That demon's name is Muzan Kibutsuji.
Muzan Kibutsuji. Since he's the only one who can turn humans into demons, that means...
He turned Nezuko. Once someone becomes a demon, they'll attack others indiscriminately, even their own family. They can't resist the urge to satiate their hunger with common sense alone. That's what it means to be a demon. At least, that was what I thought. Until I met Nezuko. There's no question that Nezuko is a demon, but in spite of that, she's never devoured a human.
Nezuko was lying on top of our brother like a shield, protecting him. She hasn't eaten anyone.
I've encountered many demons in my lifetime, but never once have I heard of anything like that. The question is, how does she maintain this state? This is only a guess. But I believe Nezuko can recover her strength by sleeping, instead of consuming human flesh as other demons do.
Sleeping to recover her strength.
Again, this is only a guess. I could be wrong. Since you are the only one at her side, you must continue to observe her. Understand? And one more thing. I don't know if this will be of any comfort or not, but while Nezuko was asleep, I used hypnotic suggestion on her. All humans are your family. Protect your family. The demons are your enemies. If a demon harms a human, never forgive them. That's what I told her. Tanjiro, I understand that you want to protect your sister, but you must keep in mind, Nezuko is a demon now. She's not a delicate flower who needs your protection. Regardless, this will be your first real mission, where you'll face a demon alone. I hope you both return safe and sound, though I'm sure you'll be fine.
Yes, sir. Well, here we are. Nothing seems out of the ordinary, but I am picking up a peculiar scent. It's faint, but unpleasant. Let's take a look around. I don't smell anything bad around here. Huh? Is that... Excuse me.
Ah!
Say, thanks!
Oh? Hello?
Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
I don't smell anything bad around here.
Excuse me? Oh, come on.
Excuse me.
Oh, come on. Hey, listen.
Hey. Okay. I don't smell anything bad around here. Excuse me.
Many thanks.
What the... Oh! Huh? Okay. I don't smell anything bad around here. Excuse me. Huh? I don't smell anything bad around here.
Oh, there's Kazumi. Poor thing. He doesn't look good.
Well, he was right next to Sadako when she was taken.
Taken? That person knows one of the victims. Mr. Kazumi! I want to hear what happened last night. From you.
This is where Satoko vanished. But I'm sure you don't believe me.
I do believe you. I'm here to help. Now let's see! There's still a faint scent of the demon here, but it's uneven. Something's off.
Who is this kid anyway?
There's definitely a demon lurking in this town, but I need to find out more. Not much time left until sunset. I need to gather more information and track them down before night falls. Excuse me!
Right.
Oh,
Huh? Hmm... Excuse me!
Hmm.
Hmm...
Uh-huh.
Excuse me!
Yep.
Huh? Uh-huh.
Hmm.
Excuse me! I think I can climb this. Okay. Excuse me. What the? Right. Huh?
Excuse me.
Well... Excuse me. I can make it through that gap. Okay. Maybe I should get to higher ground. Okay. Excuse me.
Pardon me. Huh? Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Excuse me. Huh? Hmm.